Hi all. I'm gonna see if I can get a little video done showing this soldering paste in use. This is the stuff I was showing the other day on the forum and just in pictures. It's 96% tin, 4% silver. It's soft solder. It's not silver solder. Has a cap on the end that needs to be on there anytime you're not using it. A needle for applying it, and the handle just fits in the back. And what I have here is just a piece of brass plate, about 30 thousandths thick, and a piece of thin wall brass tubing. This takes a bit of a squeeze to start coming out of that little needle. Oh, come on. There we go. We'll just put a little bead around there. Let go. It doesn't take very much. About like that. Now, after you squeeze some out of this thing, set it over a piece of paper towel or something, because it's going to come out a little bit after you quit squeezing. It's going to start coming out a little bit. Not much, but it does have flux in it. You don't want it getting on something delicate. My torch here. Have it started up and set to low setting. All I'm going to do is play the flame on the little piece of tube and the base. And we're just going to watch and see if I can show you how this melts so easy. And there it goes already. Just keep going clear around. Make sure you got it soldered all the way around. Yeah, I think that's got it. That's about it. When you get done with your needle, make sure you wash it out well with hot water and run a little piece of wire up in it so it's not plugged up next time you want to use it. I'll get that cleaned up and put a picture of it on the forum below this video. Thanks for watching.